little gotcha most people don't know about when it comes to optimizing your LinkedIn featured section. Now, the purpose of most links that you're going to put in your featured section will be to encourage people, any profile visitors, to click through to a resource that you have outside of LinkedIn. Now, good web practice is obviously to reduce as much friction as possible, or in other words, reduce the amount of clicks someone has to make to gain access to that resource that you want them to see. Less friction, higher probability of them actually clicking through to the resource, right? So here's the gotcha to be aware of with regards to LinkedIn's user interface. You can see here in my featured section, I've got a description underneath this link. Now watch what happens when I click on it. It's going to take me to a separate window, and I'm going to have to click view to actually gain access to that resource. Now, if I go back, what you can see here is I have a link here without a description, and if I click that, that's going to take me directly through to that resource that I have on YouTube. I'll show you really quickly how to make that change so that you can choose how you want to use this featured section for your own purposes. So pretty simply, all you need to go in here is when you're editing or you're creating a link, click edit and just do not include a description. You can put the title in, but do not include the description. So if I delete that now, click save. Oh, need to get rid of that. Click save. And I go back. What you'll now notice is if I clicked on this link, it'll take me directly to where I want you to go. If the internet speeds up. There you go. Directly to where I want you to go, which is my booking page. Cool. Hope that's helpful. Thanks, guys. Bye.